Hey everyone! I'm here to dive into the fiery depths of Westeros as we talk about the highly anticipated Season 2 of House of the Dragon. This isn't just another season, it's a promise of epic battles, intense drama, and of course, dragons clashing for the supremacy of the Iron Throne. So, House of the Dragon Season 2 kicked off this weekend, and let me tell you, it was nothing short of explosive. As we re-enter the world of Targaryen rule, the stakes are higher than ever. Kin against kin, dragon against dragon. The civil war that promises to tear the Seven Kingdoms apart is just beginning. Each episode, releasing every Sunday on HBO and Max, runs for about an hour, giving us a deep dive into the complexities of power, betrayal, and inevitably, survival. This season comprises 8 episodes, stretching from June through August. And if you thought the first season had its moments, brace yourself because this one takes it to a whole new level. Now let's talk characters. The dynamics in Westeros are as complex as ever. Family ties are strained, loyalties are tested. Everyone is playing a high-stakes game of chess where the pieces are their own kin. This is the kind of intense, nail-biting content that makes House of the Dragon a must-watch. And for those of you who thrive on the details, let's not forget the darker, more personal elements of the show. Themes of loss and vengeance weave through the episodes, painting a picture of a world where every action has a monumental consequence. It's dark, it's gritty, and it's everything we've come to expect from the world of Game of Thrones. So, whether you're a die-hard fan ready to dissect every scene or a casual viewer caught up in the thrill of dragon battles, House of the Dragon Season 2 is where it's at. Make sure you're tuned in every Sunday, because this is one wild ride through Westeros you won't want to miss. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this dive into House of the Dragon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Until next time, keep your dragons close and your enemies closer.